Hello everyone, welcome to Resh Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn subject EVS Standard 4th lesson number 3 Storage of Water part 2nd video number 6. In the previous video we have learned about the traditional methods of water storage. Now today we are going to learn the recent water systems. Before that, here is what's the solution. Sauni and Amaya get tap water in their house. As a result, the water from the draw well, which had been used since the old days, is not used any longer. Because of this, grandmother is upset. Suggest how Sauni and Amaya can use the drawell water for purposes other than drinking. So students, the drawell water we can use for washing clothes, washing utensils, for growing plants, cleaning the house, cleaning the vehicles, etc. So students, now we go forward. That is a recent water systems. Dams. Dams are built on the river. The most important recent water storage is dam. Dams made it possible to store huge quantities of water. As a result, more land was brought under cultivation. Cities began to grow. It becomes possible to set up factories and generate electricity. Maharashtra has several large dams such as Jaikwadi, Koyna, Ujni, and Eldari. See students, here is a picture of Jayakwadi. Jayakwadi Dam is built on a river Godavari in Aurangabad district. Second is Koyna. Koyna Dam is built on river Koyna in Satara district. Next is the Ujni. Ujni Dam is built on river Bhima at Solapur district. Next is the Eldari Dam. Eldari Dam is built on a river Purna at Parbhani districts. So students, the largest dam in Maharashtra, names of the dam and names of the district. First is the Ujni Dam, is Solapur. Jaikwadi Dam, Aurangabad. Koyna Dam, Satara district. Radhanagar Dam, Kolhapur district. Eldari Dam, Parbhani district. Bhatgarh Dam, Pune district. Second recent system is bore wells. Earlier, wells are dug to reach the water under the ground, but it was not possible to draw deep seated groundwater. Now, with the help of electric pumps, it is possible to do so. Bore wells are dug for this purpose. These wells are very deep but very narrow. You can see in the picture. Next is the panpoi, drinking water stands. People out on the roads need water when they are thirsty. In some places, big clay jars of drinking water are kept for the use of such people. This water is offered free of charge. This is known as panpoi. The panpois are set up by individuals or institutions. Panpois are very useful, especially in summer. So student, you also have seen the panpoi in the area. Water is a natural resource. All the water we get comes from rain. The rainy season lasts for 3 to 4 months. Along with us, all living things use this water all year around. If we do not store water, we will not have enough water for our needs. That is why we have to save water and must be used economically. There is 71% of water and 29% of land is on earth. From this, 2.5% is fresh water and only 1% is a potable water. So student, we have to use water economically. If we do not waste water, then only we can save earth. But what if there is no water on the earth, then there will be no plant life, no animal life, and no human life also. Here are some ways in which we can save water. Turn off tap while brushing teeth. Take shorter baths. Turn off tap while applying soap. Turn off tap after each use. Use water economically. We need water for many purposes. We should take as much as water we need. In factories, water is used for washing raw materials, washing containers, machines, etc. Water is also put to several uses in the agricultural sector. It is used to irrigate crops and given to farm animals to drink. Economical use of water. Water is a key component of the electricity generation process. It may be directly used to turn turbines and that generate electricity, or it may be heated to produce steam. Then it is used to power machines that produced electricity. So student, what we have learned today, water is a natural resource. We should not waste water. We should use water economically and the recent water system. Do understand the concepts and revise at home. Thank you.